The Cadillac Lyriq is a luxury electric SUV that offers a smooth blend of performance, technology, and design. It comes in both rear-wheel drive and all-wheel drive versions, with the AWD producing around 365 horsepower and the AWD reaching up to 515 horsepower. Torque is strong, with 325 lb-ft for RWD and up to 450 lb-ft for AWD, delivering responsive acceleration and a refined driving feel. The Lyriq uses a 102 kWh Ultium battery pack, offering an estimated range of up to 326 miles for the RWD version and around 319 miles for AWD. DC fast charging allows for about 86 miles of range in 10 minutes, while Level 2 AC home charging provides up to 31 miles of range per hour at 11.5 kilowatts, or 51 miles per hour at 19.2 kilowatts with an available upgrade. A standout feature is its 33-inch curved LED display with ultra-high resolution, combining the digital gauge cluster and infotainment into one seamless panel. It supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with a built-in 5G Wi-Fi hotspot. For premium audio, there's an available 19-speaker AKG sound system with noise cancellation and adaptive volume control. The interior is spacious and high-end, with options like Napa leather seating, massage and ventilated front seats, and a panoramic sunroof. Ambient lighting with over 100 customizable colors adds to the personalized experience. Cargo space is practical too, with 28 cubic feet behind the rear seats and up to nearly 61 cubic feet when they're folded down. Safety is a priority, with features like automatic emergency braking, pedestrian detection, lane keeping assist, and an optional Super Cruise system for hands-free driving on compatible roads. Additional aids include adaptive cruise control, HD surround vision, and a vibrating safety alert seat. The Lyriq is available in several trims, starting around $57,000 and going over $70,000 for fully loaded versions. A high-performance Lyriq V variant exists, boasting over 600 horsepower, 650 lb-ft of torque, and 0 to 60 miles per hour acceleration in about 3.3 seconds, making it a true contender among performance EVs. Subscribe and like this video for more updates on the latest electric vehicles and luxury car reviews.